In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add shapes in Miro. Start by opening Miro in your browser and going to a board where you want to work. For this walkthrough, you will simply open your board from your Miro dashboard so you are looking at the canvas and the main toolbar. Give yourself a second to get oriented. The large middle area is your workspace, and the tools you need are grouped along the edge of the screen. Once you are inside the board, look for the highlight tool on the toolbar. This tool is designed to help you draw attention to content on your board by adding a highlighted mark on the canvas. It is especially useful during brainstorming, reviewing diagrams, or calling out key areas for teammates. Click on Highlight to activate it. When the tool is active, your cursor will change to reflect that you are in highlighting mode. This is a helpful visual cue because it lets you know that your next click or drag will create a highlight mark on the board rather than selecting existing objects. Now click on Highlight again. This second click is useful if you need to reopen the highlight options or confirm the tool is selected, depending on what else you have been doing on the board. If you were previously using another tool, clicking Highlight again ensures you are definitely in the right mode before you start placing anything on the canvas. After the highlight tool is selected, move your cursor to the area of the board where you want the highlight to appear. Click and drag across the space you want to emphasize, then release to place the highlight. If you make a mistake, you can use Undo to remove it and try again. It also helps to zoom in a bit for precision, especially if you are marking a small area or working near other elements. Keep your highlights clear and intentional. Aim to mark only what matters, so the board stays easy to read. You can repeat the same process anytime you want to add more highlights across the board. And that covers everything you need to know.